Highly rated by Bunnings customers, the Masport 470 2-in-1 mower stands out as one of Australia's top performing lawn mowers. It tackles all lawn conditions with ease, whether you need to catch or mulch your lawn. Powering the 470 is the Briggs Stratton 140cc 575EX ReadyStart engine. Combined with the durable 18-inch steel chassis, this mower promises years of reliable use. The Masport 4-blade disc system with the high arch chassis delivers superior cutting, catching or mulching performance. The large 8-inch wheels allows for effortless manoeuvrability, while the upturned upper handle with the soft grip ensures comfortable control and reduces fatigue during long mowing sessions. The reinforced lower handle adds strength to the mower, and the cam lock makes folding down the handle quick and easy for storage. Versatility is the 470's strength. It cuts, catches or mulches with precision and is engineered to handle even the toughest lawns. Backed by a 5-year warranty and exclusive to Bunnings Australia, the 470 2-in-1 is a symbol of quality, efficiency and performance. Upgrade your lawn care today.